Firstly, measure the length of your collar. Mine was 17.5, and then the width. So here is a box frame. This small piece will be what we'll be using to cut the collar. So first of all, for the collar stand, you mark out your 1.25 inches for a grown-up person, or a 1 inch for a kid. After marking your 1.25, you just rule out your straight line. This is a constant figure. It shouldn't exceed 1.25. After marking your straight line, you come inside, or you deduct 1 inch inside on the left side and 1 inch inside on the right side, and then mark out a straight line. This is very simple. Very simple. After getting this, for the top part of your collar, you mark out 3 inches, or sometimes I use 2.75. After that, you divide the top part into 2. So 17.5 minus 2 inches divided by 2. The middle part should always be lesser than the edges. So here, since I made the edges 3 inches, the middle part will be like 2.5, and then I will join the lines together. So here will be curvy, and here too will be curvy, but the curve shouldn't be sharp. So you just have to make out a coney circle over there, so that after cutting it, the wood wouldn't be sharp. So that's all for it. And sometimes if you want a shape to come inside, you just come outside by half of an inch over here, or half of an inch over there. It is very optional. You can choose to cut it just like this. It is very optional. Very optional. It is optional. So after marking out these lines, you just make a simple curve on the collar stand. As you can see, you just make out a simple curve on the collar stand over here, and another collar stand over here. Then simple, just like that. So here is the cutting part. You just cut out your collar stand, simple like this. Just cut out your collar stand, as you can see, as I am cutting. It's very simple. It's very easy to understand. After cutting out your collar stand, you cut out that part that you shaped, and cut out here another part that you shaped. After that, you see that curvy place, you just fold your fabric into 2 and make sure the lines are aligning. You see, you just make sure the lines are aligning, and then cut it according to the shape that you drew. So after cutting it and cutting it out to the coney part, you see, as it has been laid down. And so on the collar stand, the curvy part that you drew, you just curve out here and curve out here. Very simple. Everyone can do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly hit on the subscribe button for me for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.